Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and this video covers assignment on 2D arrays. If you want to understand more about 2D arrays, the link for the same is provided in the description, or you can access it from here as well. So let's begin. First question. In Java, we cannot provide values at the time of declaration before the equal to sign. Hence, the correct syntax is B and C. And because we need to create array that can hold 16 elements, 4 by 4 is 16 and 2 by 8 is also 16. Hence, B and C is correct. Next. The solution is C. The array is 2 by 3. So you can see we have 2 rows and 3 columns. First row has values 2, 4, 6 and the second row has values 3, 5, 7. We want to access 1, 0. So 1 is the row. So first row. And then the 0th column, 1, 0 is 3. And then 0, 2, that means 0 row and the column and the value at column 2, 0, 2 is 6. Hence, the solution is C. To understand how it works, we have this array which is 3 by 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14, 16, 18. It's a 3 by 3 array with their respective indexes. For the first iteration, when I is 0, the value in the number is A of 0 and I is 0. So A of 0, 0, that is 2. Now the J runs 3 times. So the first time when J is 0, A of Ji, so 0, 0 is equals to absolute of the number is 2 minus A of 0, 0, which is 2 itself. That means absolute of 0. So the first value is 0. Then again for J is equals to 1, A of 1, 0, that means it's going column wise and not row wise. Number is 2 again, that remains the same, minus A of, you can see Ji. So J is 1, I is still 0, A of 1, 0 is 2 minus 8, which is absolute of minus 6 becomes 6. Same for J is equals to 2. A of 2, 0 will be equals to the number which was 2 minus A of 2, 0, which is 14, and absolute of minus 12 is 12. Same goes for when I is equals to 1. For I equals to 1, the first value is 4. So then 4 minus 4, which is 0. Then you have 4 minus 10, which is 6. Then you have 4 minus 16, which is 12. And because it's absolute, you don't get the negative values. And the same goes for when I is equals to 2, you get the values 0, 0, 0, 6, 6, 6 and 12, 12, 12. With this, we come to an end of this video. Hope you enjoyed learning. Happy learning. Take care and bye-bye.